We have had rising cases for about 2 months in Europe, and countries have been tightening their restrictions. But she noted that about half of the cases were in that young category, and that's what explains why there were less hospitalizations and deaths over the last 2 months than there were during that peak in the spring. But lately, we are seeing an increase in hospitalizations, and in some countries, even an increase in deaths. And so she said member states of the EU really need to start increasing their restrictions again. She also warned of COVID fatigue, that citizens are not following the restrictions that are in place. And so governments need to better communicate them and also better enforce them. She said citizens are the last line of defense against this virus, against the risk of a return to the situation we had in the spring. She said everyone desperately wants to avoid the European countries again having to go into lockdowns. It would be devastating for the economy, devastating for people's mental health, and devastating for businesses. But she said unless citizens follow the restrictions that are in place and governments really get serious about increasing restrictions along with the increase in hospitalizations, we are going to be looking at new lockdowns across Europe. So it was a really stark warning that she had today.